see. That'll be interesting. My stomach's gonna growl again. So I'm going to... All right, guys, I'm gonna stop there. Side note before I do my normal outro, because I just ended on a stomach growl, it made me think of it. Someone suggested that I do a compilation video of all of the weird bodily noises that come from my throat and my stomach. Side note to the side note, it runs in the family. I don't know why. My grandma is the same way. My great grandma was the same way. We just have gurgly intestines or something. I'm not sure. We've all got GERD. We've all got issues. So maybe that's why. But it's just a fun family factoid that none of you asked for. Anyways.